How to save your TikTok videos without the TikTok watermark. Here's the easiest way to do it. First, open TikTok app first and tap plus button. If you're creating a new TikTok video, record your video as usual and tap the checkmark button when you're finished. Tap next, then select more options. Look for the setting called Save Posts with Watermark and turn it off. Then make sure Save to Device is turned on. Now, when you post the video, TikTok will save a copy to your device without the watermark. If you don't want anyone else to see the video, you can change the audience setting to only you before posting. This allows you to save the video to your gallery while keeping it private. For videos you've already posted, open the video from your profile, tap the Share button or three-dot menu, and look for the Download or Save Video option, if it's available. Device with little or no watermark, depending on your available settings. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more TikTok tips and tutorials.